Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you how to get Course Hero for free, and I'll show you what I mean. So here I have a chemistry review, and let's say I wanted it, but as you can see it's blurred. 1 out of 3 out of 12 pages. What you're going to do is hit inspect, go to sources, and then you're going to go under doc asset blur. Going to find this one, or you might find multiple. Go open a new tab, and so as you can see here in the URL says blur. We're going to change that to BG. Alright, oh, some of it showed. The review. Alright, note that this is a review, not any answers. There may be answers in the review, but I'm not too sure of that. So after you change that, you're going to go ahead and play around with the split number. Split 1, and don't worry if you hit this page not found. Page 2, split 2, sorry. 3, and I usually go up to 4. Just testing it 4. And if that doesn't work, just go back to this one. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take these bunch of numbers and change it to V9. Alright, enter, and then don't worry about the page. Play around the split number still. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if that doesn't work, go back. Alright, and now we're going to change it to V9.2. As you can see, as I put V9.2, here's the entire page of the review. And it does actually give the answer at the bottom. B, D, D. And if you want to go to the next page, just simply hit page 2. And there you go. Note that when you switch pages, you might have to play around with the split number again. But yeah, and then you can continue going to page 3. And as you can see here, it's blurred a bit, so you might want to play around with the split number. 1. There, you see, you get that half unblurred, and so on and so forth. Don't believe me? Well, here's another one. Found this one, and it is, believe, something to do with, it's a gizmo for waves. So student exploration waves, and let's say I want the answers. Inspect, same process. Sources, we're gonna go to doc asset. Usually open the first page, open a new tab, and here you go, it's blurred. Alright, but this one doesn't say blur here. It says BG already, so we don't need to worry about that. Here there are numbers, and here's something I wanted to know. Your URL does not need this. Please take that out so that this whole process will work. And as you can see, as soon as I took that out and just left .jpg, most of it that was already there, that was already shown, is here. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, again, we're just gonna play with the split number a bit, add 1, not found, alright, no worries. Page 2, split 3, and split 4, and then go back 0, and then we're gonna change this bunch of numbers to V9. Alright, not found, alright, no worries. Go to page 1, sorry, split 1, split 2, so on and so forth. 3, 4, and then we're just going to go back at this point, and then what we're going to do is we're going to change it to V9.2. As you can see, split 0, now we have the answers. Here's the answer, right, and stuff like that. We have all the answers. Now go to the next page, simply just change that page number into a 2. There you go, answers, but oh my goodness, the second half is completely blurred. No worries, change the split number 1, and there you go, the second half. Same thing with page 3. See, might be blurred at the bottom. Change that to 0 maybe. No, maybe change that to 2, and there you go. There it is. And so on and so forth for all the pages. Hope that helps. Remember to subscribe and leave a like and comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.